If you just want to loop through a dictionary, you can do that in a couple of ways. Just write a for loop, and then in your dictionary, and then here you can display the X. So this way here, you're gonna display. So if I run this program, you can see the keys. Now, I usually don't like to do that because I never remember what it does. So instead of using the keys like that, I put dot keys, and we have exactly the same output. However, I know for sure that's keys that I am using now. So now if you want to display only the values, you can use values instead of the keys, and then you display all the values from your dictionary. If you want both keys and values, you can do in two ways. One, this way, and then comma, maybe something to separate then, and then comma again, and then your dictionary, and then inside the dictionary you're gonna pass the key, which is X, and that we get the value of the dictionary. So there it is, you have your key and the value and a separator in the middle. The other way to get both your key and value is change the function from keys to items. And now you're gonna have an item stored in X. So now if you run, each time you play X, you display the key and the value pair. So in this case here, you have the item combined into X. But if you don't want to have it combined, if you want to have those separated, you can put X comma Y here, and then you can separate those, and then you're gonna have X and the Y, which is the key and value pair for every single item. Alright, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.